Good morning once again. You're watching Bring In Fashion Online class. Today I'll be sharing with us some fashion tips again. Like I told you in my videos, I'll be sharing fashion tips with you as time goes on. So if you like what I do, and the only way you encourage me is for you to like, share, and follow my page. You can even put on the notification bell so that whenever I'm putting up a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. This is just how you encourage me. I'm doing this still for free. This is how I give back to the society. So the topic today is how to read our measurement tape. How to read our measurement tape. The measurement tape is one of the instruments that is important in sewing. In fact, if you don't know how to use your measurement tape, you cannot even give a good sewing, or you cannot sew very well. The measurement tape is one of the most important things when it comes to sewing. Now, this is what we have here. This I just give us an illustration from 0 to 1 inch. This is an illustration from 0 to 1 inch. This is how it goes. The way the calculation is here, that is how it goes from 2 inch, 3 inch. Is the same thing. Are you getting? The difference is just 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So now let's begin. The first calibration you see here is 1/8. The second one is 2/8. The third one is 3/8. The fourth one is 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, then 8/8. And the 8/8 is the 1 inch. Now, how someone will ask, how is it 1/8, 2/8? How is it all of them over 8/8? The reason why they are over 8 is because the calibrations inside this box, they are 8 in numbers. They are 8 in numbers. Let's count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they are all over 8. The first one is 1/8. That is how it is. Now, what we want to know here is the difference between this calibration and this other one. Because are you seeing this spacing? The difference between this calibration and this other one. If you just follow what I'm doing and follow your tape, you understand what I'm trying to say. That's the difference between this one and this other one. That's just what we want to calculate out now, to tell you that every of these calibrations are important when it comes to sewing. Some persons, they will measure, when they measure their clients, if the measurement falls under 0.375, they will just assume, okay, now let me use half inch. Some persons, they do that a lot. And in sewing, you don't assume. The measurement you see, use that measurement to arrive at your neat job, to deliver a neat job. So you don't assume. So let's begin. Now this first one, which is 1/8. 1 divided by 8 gives you 0.125. 1 divided by 8 gives you 0.125. This 0.125 is the difference between this calibration and this one. That is the distance from this one to this one. That is this middle. This middle you see here is this 0.125. The distance between this one and this one. And it's the same thing to this one. The distance between this one and this one is this 0.125. The distance from this one to this one is this 0.125. The distance from this one to this one is this 0.125. The distance from this one to this one is this 0.125. All of them, the distance, they are the same. So now, how do we calculate it out to arrive at our 1 inch, 2 inch, half inch, like that? That's what we want to do now. Now the first one is 1 divided by 8 gives you 0.125, which I've explained just now. 0.125, which is the next one now, which is 2/8. It will now be like 2 times this 0.125 you got, 2 times, which is this second one. We want to know this difference. This is second one and this one. 2 times 0.125 gives you 0.25. This 0.25 is what people normally call quarter inch. This 0.125 is what they normally call quarter inch. So someone can easily say, maybe your boss can easily tell you, go and cut any gum for me, 0.25. If they tell you 0.25, what they are trying to tell you is just go and cut quarter inch any gum for me, or quarter inch gum stay for me, or go and measure quarter inch in your material. So this 0.125 represents quarter inch. The next one is 3 times 0.125. The reason why all of them is times 0.125 is because of the distance, because the distance are the same. The distance from this one to this one to this one to this one, they are the same. So it's just the number that is different. The number times the 0.125, you get the next one. So now the third one is 3 times 0.125 gives you 0.375. This is 0.375 is the third calibration you see there. Is as important as every other one as well. Now the next one is 4. 4 times 0.125 gives you 0.5. This 0.5 is what we normally call half inch. is what they normally call half inch. Are you seeing? So they can easily tell you to go and cut 0.5. They are telling you to go and cut half inch. So if you are a beginner, just understand this thing. The next one is the same thing. 5 times 0.125 gives you 0.625. The next one is the same thing. 6 times 0.125 gives you 0.75. This 0.75 is what they normally call 3/4 inch. Are you getting? This 0.75 is what they normally call 3/4 inch. So if they ask you to go and cut 0.75, it simply means they are telling you to go and cut 3/4 inch. So just know this. Then the next one is 7 times 0.125 gives you 0.875. While the next one is 8 times 0.125 gives you 1 inch, which is this last one. 8 times 0.125, which is the distance from this one to this one, is 0.125, gives you 1 inch. I see. This is where you arrive at 1 inch. That is how it goes. The second one too is the same thing. That is how it goes, like that, from your tip. The next one, you see 1, you see 2, you see 3. It's just like that. The calculation you see here is the same thing that you will still get when you go ahead. Are you getting? So this is just what I said I should just explain to you. If at all you have any misunderstanding or you don't understand what I just explained, you can drop it in the comment section. We are here to reply. But this is how to read your measurement tip. Just apply this, follow your tip, and I believe you arrive at a nice measurement. Thank you, till I see you again.